Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. I'm back with a really quick video. This one is called Squeeze the Day, a lemon theme coffee bar decor hosted by Secondhand Tracey Ann. She asked that we include lemon themed decor in our coffee station in our kitchen, and I decided to come up with something that I didn't spend any money on. Well, actually, I spent 98 cents or something like that for 2 sheets of lemon paper from Michael's. Other than that, everything else is stuff I had at home. I made a little coffee cozy out of scrap lemon fabric. I had a lemon tablecloth that doesn't fit my table, so I made some adjustments to it. But this was a piece of scrap left over that I made a coffee cup cozy with. On my sugar and my regular coffee and tea canisters, I just added the lemon paper with some regular tape. Squeeze a Day, that sign I made just using a dollar store sign that I put the paper on, wrote the words. Same thing with the add some zest back to life sign. And that's pretty much everything that I came up with for my lemon themed coffee bar. Of course, we have some real lemons and a fake lemon. The fake lemon was made from styrofoam eggs. I think I made like 4 or 5 of those just from leftover Easter egg type styrofoam shapes that I had. So I just painted and hot glued it on there with some florals. And that's just like a little box. Of course, I have my teas and stuff there. My little Keurig K-Pods. The gnome stays there all year. Sorry I couldn't lemonify him because I do like his little heart. But that's pretty much everything that I can come up with for a no spend, because I didn't really want to spend money. I did spend, like I said, the 98 cents for the paper from Michael's, but that's about it. So this is my really simple, really quick, nothing too fancy, Squeeze the Day lemon coffee bar decor. Thank you, Secondhand Tracey Ann. I wanted to participate in the other videos, but couldn't get around. I didn't have time to do them, but this is all I had time for, so this is it. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and I'll see you in another video shortly. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.